Listen, guys, we are out of COVID stage right now, meaning that a lot of people that are in their lease cars right now bought their leases out in the past because they said, you know what, I don't want my payment any higher than what it is. If I do, I only want it $20 or $30 more or $40 more higher. And I know my car. And I'm good because the miles are low. Well, guess what? COVID stage is over. We have new cars on our lot, which means that you can get a lower payment or not too much higher than what you're paying right now by getting another lease. Those payments of $600 or $700 on a lease car, or $650 or $200 more than what you're paying right now, those days are over. So what I'm telling you is, today's time, stop buying your lease car out. Get a new lease car payment and see what the payment is, and then negotiate. Buying your lease car is over, and get into a new lease, because when you get stuck in your lease car and you want to get out of it 3 years from now, but you leased it for 3 years and then you financed it for 5 years, and then you want to get out of it in 3 years, and you have, say, 2 more years left on your loan because you're still buying your lease out, you're going to be in a bigger hole than what you thought, because now times are catching up right now. Remember, manufacturers are putting better rebates on the cars now. Why? Because the strike is over. The strike is over, which means that they are ready to sell cars. The manufacturers are ready to do what? Play ball now. Sell cars to you, the public. So let's play ball. Don't buy your lease out. Get a brand new car if you want to get another lease. If you want to get a new lease a brand new car. Don't buy your lease out. COVID is over to a certain extent. I'm not saying it's not out there, but COVID is over when it comes to the automobile industry. It's over.